first visuals of Prime Minister Narendra Modi landing there at the Colombo airport. He's obviously on a 2-day visit to. Let's listen to what the people who have Indian.
Our new president's after our new president's government, when coming the first prime minister from the India, we warmly welcome him, and I think he will help us in many ways. We trust him. He will help us in many ways. We trust him, and we need his help. I hope he will improve us in future. Thanks a lot.
Hi, my name is Nitin. I'm an Indian expat working here.
Right.
So,
Prime Minister Modi is about to come, and how are you going to welcome him? What do you want to say when he's going to be?
yeah, we would like to welcome him. Say welcome to Colombo. So, this is a nice country. We have been enjoying the hospitality of Sri Lanka. So, same has to be extended to PM Modi. He is making us proud throughout the world. So, we are also trying to do the same. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Mohammad Ghazanfar Ali. It's very nice. I'm from Mumbai, from India. I came as an expat and working here in this country.
Prime Minister Modi is about to reach soon, and he's going to meet you as well. What do you want to say to him?
I'm very glad. I mean, something like a brilliant opportunity to meet him, a visionary leader of our country, who's going to bring a lot of development going forward for this country also. So looking forward to have. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Amit. I come from Bangalore, and this is the third time I am going to meet Modi. I have met before in 19. I had the opportunity to handshake with him. He's a great leader, inspiring leader, who is changing the world, not only India. So happy to be here. Thank you.
Colombo welcomes Modi. We are very happy to welcome Prime Minister Modi from India to Colombo. We are very proud of his work, and we are very proud to be Indians to welcome Prime Minister Modi here. Modi, Modi, Modi है तो मुमकिन है. Modi है तो मुमकिन है. सुस्वागतम मोदी. कविता है, कविता हमने उनके लिए कविता लिखी है. हम लोग बोलेंगे शत शत प्रणाम, शत शत प्रणाम. हाँ जी, बिल्कुल सुना. मोदी जी को भी सुनानी है. अच्छा, हम लोग सब लोग एक साथ बोलेंगे शत शत प्रणाम. आप उस समय मोदी जी को सुनाने का भी मौका देना प्लीज. चैत्र मास का यह समाचार. पधार रहे हैं प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी फिर एक बार. कुछ नए संकल्प, कुछ पुराने सपनों का दृढ़ निश्चय समेटे खड़ा है मोदी जी को अपनी बाहों में भर के. दिन बदलेगा, रात आएगी, दिन बदलेगा, फिर रात अपने संग नई सुबह लाएगी. ऋतुएं चाहे बदल भी जाएं, यह धरती तो परस्पर आपके ही गीत गाएगी. जिस शिखर पर आज भारत है विराजमान, सच मानिए मान्यवर, आपकी भी कुछ ऐसी ही है पहचान. यूं तो ये कुछ नया नहीं है आपके लिए एकदम सा. यकीन मानिए यह है हम सब भारतवासियों का जज्बा. बस 2 ही शब्दों का है संपूर्ण सार. श्री मोदी जी के अनगिनत उपकार. दिल से निकले प्रणाम बारंबार. जिस सत्ता से चल रही है यह संपूर्ण सत्ता, पाएं आप सदा ही उससे सेहत और मार्गदर्शन का ठप्पा. दिल से निकले यही पुकार, मोदी जी को शत शत प्रणाम बारंबार.